Services Central allows you to create systems so you can get a comprehensive view of all the information and details on instruments that work together. This includes support history, coverage status, and access to resources like manuals. This video will show you how to create a system in Services Central. To create a system, navigate to your Instruments page. Select the instruments you would like to be included in the system. Then click on the Create button toward the top right of the screen. You will see a Create pop-up box appear. Select the Create a System button in the System box. You will see a Create a System pop-up box appear. Fill in the system nickname. You may also add in notes. From the pull-down menu, choose the system type. Your instrument components should be selected already, but if they aren't, you can select them under Add Instrument Components to your system or Add Additional Instrument Components. Select Create System. You will now see a new system created in the My Instruments tab under Serial Number. Visit thermofisher.com/servicescentral/login to get started.